There's a fire starting in my heart, reaching the fever pitches, bringing me out the dark. Finally, I can see you crystal clear. Go ahead and tell me how I lay your shit there. See how I live with every piece of you. Don't underestimate the things that I will do. There's a fire starting in my heart, reaching the fever pitches, bringing me out the dark. The scars of your love remind me of this that keeps me thinking that we almost had it all. The scars of your love that leave me breathless, I can't help feeling we could have had it all. Rolling in a deep, you had my heart inside your hand, but you played it to the beat. Baby, I have no story to be told, but I've heard one of you. I'm gonna make your head burn. Think of me in the depths of your despair, making all down as mine show up to share. Scars of your love remind you of this that keeps me thinking that we almost had it all. Scars of your love that leave me breathless, I can't help feeling we could have had it all. Rolling in a deep, you had my heart inside your hand, but you played it to the beat. Could have had it all. Rolling in a deep, you had my heart inside your hand, but you played it with your feelings. Throw yourself through every open door. Count your blessings to find what you look for. Turn my sorrow into treasure gold. You pay me back in kind, you reap just what you sow. We could have had it all.